This video is going to show you a little bit about Nearpod. So go to the Nearpod website at nearpod.com and go ahead and follow the steps to create an account and log in. This is your landing or your home in Nearpod. So you'll notice you have several options. You can create a discussion, you can create a gamified review, you can do a bell ringer. These are quick links to creating. You can check out the Nearpod library that has tons of different lessons and interactive activities that are free or also some that are paid. So be sure to check those out. You can also view reports from any Nearpods that you've run. And then here are a whole bunch of teacher resources and videos for using Nearpod, since this video is just going to give you a quick overview. When you're right here in Nearpod, you can create your own lesson right here in Nearpod, or you can use Google Slides by clicking this. The other way to get to Nearpod is if you've already built a slide deck, you can simply use the add-on. Yup, there's an add-on for Nearpod. So click add-ons. If you don't already have the add-on, you're going to want to come down here to click get add-ons. You're going to want to search Nearpod. And then you're going to want to go ahead and install it. Once you install it and you're ready to start playing, click on Add-ons. Click Nearpod and open Nearpod. A sidebar will open up with your different options. So, if you already have a slides presentation created with some slides, do that or create them. Then use your add-on to enhance. You have many different features here in the add-on. You can create an audio slide. You can search their video collection and add a video. Here are some of your categories. To insert a video, simply click the video you want. You can preview it, or if you know you already like it, just click Done. And Nearpod will add a slide with that video right into your slides presentation. If you want to edit the slide, simply click Edit. Say you want to add a collaborative piece to your presentation. Simply click on the Collaborate. You can type in your topic. You can enter a description. You can add an image. Just be sure to click Save. And then you can click and select your layout. When you're all set making your adjustments, click Save. And once again, you'll see another slide will be added to your presentation. You can add a drawing slide by simply clicking Draw It. You can type directions. You can record audio to have your directions read. You can add some web content. If you already have audio, you can put that in a PDF if there's a video or even an image you want here next to it. Recording audio is pretty simple. Simply click and hold and record your directions. Draw your favorite food and it will record it, and then it will play it. Be sure to click Save. And then your audio is there for them to listen to. You can add a timer if you would like, so that they only have a certain amount of time to complete their work. You can also add a background image, and when you're all set with this, simply click Save. Again, that slide will be added to your presentation. You can also choose from their field trips, which will bring in different ARs. Again, searching from their variety of videos here, or their field trips, I should say. You can also search a topic. You can preview it to check it out, see if it's what you really want. When you've chosen, click Done. If you want to look at a different one, click Back. There are plenty of other options here. You have the option for fill in the blank, adding a flip grid, matching, memory. The options are really kind of endless here. So click around, play around, and add some of these different features. When you're all done, simply click Save and go to Nearpod. This now will take your presentation, bring it into Nearpod, and get it ready for you to then run with your students. Once it's ready, it'll let you know, and then you can choose to run it live. So hovering over it, you can run it as a live session. You can put it into student paced mode and let students work through at their own pace. You can take a peek and preview it, and it'll bring up your slides here so that you can see what it will look like. And the video will play. Students will have the opportunity to collaborate here on their screens. The drawing feature. Oh, and let's go back. Here's where they would click to listen to your directions. Here's that AR view, or VR, I'm sorry. If at any point you want to edit, you can simply click Edit, and it will bring you back into your slide deck. Have fun exploring Nearpod.